Hello everyone, how are you all? Ellarigu namaskara, welcome back to my channel. Let's see today some of the lipsticks which are easily available in the market, affordable, yet very beautiful for the Indian skin tone especially, and one of my favorites lipsticks which I always reach to. Let's see those. These lipstick collections are mixed of nudes to browns to pinks, which suits every skin tone and every skin type. The first lipstick we are seeing is NYB Matte Matte Lip Crayon. This is the shade number 35, named as Pink Juiced. The price range is about some 200 to 300 bucks, which is easily available in online purple.com or any other sites. This is a daily wear lipstick, nothing much to speak about it. Next shade would be Wet n Wild. The next shade is Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Lipstick in the shade called Berry Recognize. This costs around 499 rupees. In discounts it will be lesser than the price, the MRP. This is a beautiful berry tone shade which is a transfer proof lipstick and one of the finest and best formulated lipstick I have ever used. The next shade is Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. The shade number is 42. This is a kind of brownish reddish mixed tone of shade which suits especially the Indian skin tone. It's a festive wear lipstick. I'm not saying it's not a transfer proof. It does transfer when you have something to eat or drink. The next shade is Megalast Liquid Lipstick of Wet n Wild. The shade is 24 karat gold. MRP would be 295, usually in discounts. Nothing much to say about it. It's a pure orange shade, can be used as concealer. Orange lip lovers can give a shot. The next shade is NYB Matte Matte Lip Crayon in the shade number 22. It's named as Your Extra Innings, which costs again under 200 to 300 rupees, Indian rupees. This is a nice kind of orangish nudish color. It's used for everyday purpose. It doesn't long last, but a very good lipstick to use for the daily wear. Next lipstick is again from the same range, Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick, and the shade called Spike with Rum. One of my favorite shades. It has hints of brown, mauve and red. My kind of unique shade, yet so beautiful, especially for the Indian skin tone. Next shade is Nykaa Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gul. This is my go-to shade. I had to purchase this shade. I love this color. Too good shade, non-sticky formula. It's absolutely beautiful and smudge proof. Suits every skin type. A must buy for everyone. This is a kind of shade which is between purplish pinkish color. It's good for the weightish skin tone, weightish to medium skin tone. Definitely give it a try. I have just included the hand swatches for the reference. Please check them out. Next shade is again from the same range, Wet n Wild Megalast lipsticks. The shade is Spotlight Red. This is a mixed shade of pink and red, a quite popular shade. It leaves a stain. The Nykaa liquid lipsticks cost around 599 rupees, but usually this would be under 500 in discounts. The next shade is NYB again, the Matte Matte Lip Crayon in the shade number 11. It's called as Aced It. This is a kind of shade which is mixed of mauve and brown. This is also a nude shade. It's good for the everyday purpose. The next shade is the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams in the shade number 11. This is the purest form of purple color. Not bold, not a nude. It's a daily wear lipstick. Nude lip lovers, then definitely try this shade. The next shade is from the Nykaa Liquid Lipsticks. It's called as the shade Rukmini, shade number 22. This is a pinkish reddish neutral shade, best for the Indian skin tone and the festival wear. It's quite bold yet neutral. Definitely give this a shot. All the lip shades above suits for the whitish medium to dusky skin tones. Some are transfer proof, which I mentioned as Nykaa lip shades are just awesome shades to be used for the daily wear or occasionally. Hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.